Hello students, in this video we will discuss about application of trigonometry. Some application of trigonometry. This is the ninth chapter of the class 10 maths NCERT. Our topic is some application of trigonometric trigonometry, or another name of this concept is height and distance. Heights and distance. Height and distance. This is very important chapter of the trigonometry. In this chapter, our topics are line of sights, second is angle of elevation, third is angle of depression, and fourth is numerical problems. This is our topics related to this chapter. Now, what is the application of the trigonometry? Since if you want to find the height of aeroplane flying the sky, height of the tower, height of the building, height of the poles, etc., without actual measurement. For this, we can use the trigonometry. A device whose name is theodolite. Theodolite. With the help of this device, we can measure the angle of any object to the horizontal line. That means, suppose this is an object and an observer stay here, and this observer want to find the angle between line of sight. What is the line of sight? Line of sight means a line drawn from eye of observer to the point in object is known as line of sight, and horizontal line means a line drawn from eye of observer parallel to the horizontal. This angle measured by this device, which is known as theodolite, and if you find this angle, then you can measure, you can find what is the height of this object from the earth or that horizontal line. Suppose this is the observer denoted by U, and this is the object. Suppose this point O, this is point A, and this is the point B. We want to find the height of AB. Suppose this height is equal to H, and OA distance is on the horizontal, so we can actually measure what is the length of OA. When we find the value of this angle, then we apply the trigonometric ratios in this concept, and with the help of this we can find the value of h, which is the height of this object from the horizontal line. This will be possible with the help of theodolite, which is a device to measure any angle with any object. Now, here we will take first topic, line of sight. What is the line of sight? Line of sight. Line of sight is nothing but a line drawn from eye of observer to the any point in object is known as line of sight. Suppose in this situation OB line is known as line of sight. Line of sight. That means O is the observer and this is eye of the observer. A line drawn from eye of observer to the point in object. Suppose this is object and B point in the object. So line joining the O to B is known as line of sight. This is very important thing. Now in the next video we will discuss about angle of elevation.